Welcome to Business Street. I am Arise Buka. Today we'll be talking about drop services as a business, as drop services for freelancers, for sit-at-home mom, for someone that is taking care of another person, for a graduate that doesn't have any work that is doing at the moment, for a student that is still learning in school and still need to be collecting one or two amounts of money per month, per week, okay? For a retired person that wants to do other things besides just waiting for gratuities and pensions. Drop services is for you. All you need to do is choose a niche, front as a personnel that can do this, get this work done, hand this work to someone that is halfway across the world to get the work done. You don't need to have a single skill to get this work done, okay? Drop services is wonderful, it's nice, and it can get you $1,000 per month, $5,000 per month, depending on your marketing skill and your abilities to get these works and get clients from the social media, okay? And do I get these clients from? Why do I get this work done? That you don't have any skill. We'll show you step-by-step means of getting the work done without breaking a sweat, okay? Without breaking a sweat.
Alright, let's begin. What is drop servicing? Drop servicing is a business model where you sell your digital services to clients and outsource the work to freelancers, agencies, or contractors rather than doing the work by yourself, okay? Drop services is different from drop shipping, being that for drop services, it's all about services and other things, but drop shipping has to do with goods, okay? If you're considering a business to do, you can consider a business called drop services. It's very nice and it's something that you can always do from your home with an internet, okay? Here are 7 business ideas that are drop services business. Number 1 is website development. Search engine optimization is number 2. Graphic design is number 3. Book writing and editing. Video creation and editing is equally among. Lead generation is equally among. Social media manager is equally among. There are countless others. You can go on and on and on and count them. Even mobile app development and other services that can be rendered out. Okay. All right. Come with me. You might be wondering, how do I get a client for dropshipping business? So you don't need to worry about getting a client for dropshipping business. First of all, you choose a niche, choose the services you will be offering, identify your potential providers, set up a website or a landing page, or even your website account can serve as a landing page. Develop your pricing strategy and market on Facebook page, okay? These things are done freely, or even go as far as doing Facebook ads for this drop services business. Once you're able to front yourself as a personality in a particular niche, set it up, especially running Facebook ads. The sky is your starting point, okay? You will just be making drop services on a daily basis.
Questions besides just getting clients. There are other places you can get clients. You can do advertising on Facebook. Use your Facebook wall to advertise. Tell people what you do. Tell people you are now a website designer while you don't know how to actually do this work by yourself. You can always set up a Facebook advert, do Google ads, like channel to your page, do like you said here, set up a website or landing page to attract clients. You can set up a website that will be attracting clients to you. You can have a TikTok page that will be talking about website development, mobile app development, you being a social media manager, and this works will come to you naturally. Okay, now where to do the works? This is the real question, that how if you're now going to get these jobs, how are you going to do these jobs? Okay, we still get to pricing. You stay to the end of the class. So if you get a job to be done, all you need to do is go to this website, Upwork.com. These websites are very much certified. They are very much certified. Okay, so up your work game. It's for free. You can always get to this website, Upwork.com, to to get IT development experts, AI services, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation. Every of this, each and every one of these works has experts in the field that will get the work done for you. Or use another website called freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is is a very nice website, and they are very much trusted and verified. Okay, there are other services they offer: AI artists, logo designers, website development, that is WordPress, voiceover artists. You can get experts on this site, experts in every field. Okay, you need it, we got it. Graphic designer, digital marketing, and the rest. Okay, let's take example. You applied, you got a job for a mobile app developer. Okay, you can always come to Fiverr and see a lot of mobile app developers. As you can see here, this guy is charged $200 for the work. Mobile app developer, this guy is charged $340. You can charge, if you're charged $340, you can charge maybe $400 to get the work done. Like this one is an Angular web developer, mobile app application developer. It's charging $700 to get the work done. You can charge $750 to your client. Okay, this one is a fitness mobile app developer. It's charging $995. Okay, these things are possible. Most of them are Indians, some of them are Americans, some of them are Nigerians. Okay, like this guy is an Indian. Nick M is a pro developer. They are very much trusted. $495, that's what it's charging. Okay, you can charge $500, you can charge $550 for the work and make your profit immediately. There are a lot of them here, so you can post as a mobile app developer and get the work done. There are a lot of them. All you need to just do is get the work first. Get the work first from your client, and who do the work is not a problem. Who you do the work is not a problem. Okay. Now let's talk about setting your prices. There are a lot of like illustrators, and we've talked about this one. Price your services for your client. So the prices that you set determines everything. All you need to do is set your prices right, get your clients and get the work delivered, and your clients will be paying, and you'll be paying those that are doing the work themselves. All you need to do is sit back in your house, rest, and the work get done. You are just the middleman playing the game in the middle and getting the work done. So if you like the video we just shared with you, if you like the training we just shared with you, share, like, and subscribe so you can get more of what we're teaching.